I am begging you, stop watching another tutorial, stop buying another sample pack which tries to imitate a producer that you like, and start transcribing tracks. Because right now you are stuck for one reason. You don't actually see what's happening inside the music that you love. So this is the problem. You hear a track and you think, how do they make it feel like that? So what do? You start watching breakdown videos, you try random ideas, and nothing sticks. Why? Because you're guessing. You're trying to build tracks without understanding structure, without understanding arrangement. And I know this very well because arrangement has been my weakest spot. I could make sounds, I could make 8-bar loops, but full tracks, messy. And things start changing when I start transcribing. Not casually, not once, consistently. I took tracks that I loved and I rebuilt them, section by section, bar by bar. And suddenly, arrangement stopped being something obscure and started to be something fun and interesting. So right now, your problem is not creativity. Right now, your problem is not talent. It's not your DAW. It's simply this. You don't know what's happening over time. And until you fix that, you are stuck in an 8-bar loop. And you might say, okay, I don't know how to start transcribing a track. And that's good. That's fine. That's something which is actually easy to fix. You don't need perfect ears. You don't need music theory, though it helps. What you really need is a simple process. So, here are the steps to follow. Do this today. Pick one track that you like, not 10, one. Second step, drop that track in your DAW and remember to check the tempo. Third step, listen carefully and ask yourself what starts here, what ends here, why does this break works, why does this drop works, what's happening with this sound, and so on. And with this, we get to step 4, which is basically rebuilding a rough version of the track that you are transcribing. You don't need to chase the exact sounds. What you need to do is match the kick, bass, hi-hats, atmosphere, lead, percussion, and that's it. You do this once and you learn something. You do this 5 times and you start noticing patterns. You do this 10 times and you stop guessing. Now you might ask yourself, so shall I just copy the whole arrangement? No, you don't need to copy the whole arrangement, but you can steal some ideas. That's what an influence is, right? Stealing some ideas. Quoting Picasso, good artists copy and great artists steal. Steal some ideas. And transcription was exactly what got me better at arrangements. Not plugins, not courses, but transcribing. It forced me to see what actually works in terms of energy, flow, tension, timing. So if you're serious about finishing tracks, start today. One track, open your DAW and just stop guessing. In the next video, I will show you how I do this in practice. So stay tuned, subscribe, and if this video brought you some value, a like would be nice too.